Hello little readers, are you ready to level up your reading skills? Today we will practice sentences that start with the word I. Let's begin. I see a cloud. Let's read it again. I see a cloud. Now it's your turn. I see a bug. One more time. I see a bug. Now it's your turn. I see a frog. Let's read it again. I see a frog. Now it's your turn. I see a small bird. Let's read it again. I see a small bird. Now you give it a try. Great job! Remember to keep practicing. I'll see you later.
Did you know that you can support the growth of P.Kids by going to my Ko-fi page and donating there? Or you can visit the shop and purchase one of the items that I have for sale. I have some wooden toys available, some ebooks, some e-cards, and also some games on there. And if you want the physical copy of one of my books, then you can go on Amazon and type in my name, Lavesta Posey. You can see the physical copies of my books that I have available there and have those delivered to you. So thanks again for supporting P.Kids, and I'll talk to you later.